No, it's not a bad poem. It's, there's many things in life that he wants me to learn. He wants me to learn how to drive. He wants me to learn how to cook. This, that, and it's like, okay, so this is dedicated to him, and it's called, he wants me to go to cooking school. He wants me to go to cooking school. Like I haven't got enough things on my plate. I relish to try various cultural appetites, but cooking is a subject I hate. He makes delicious meals from the sweat of his palms. His cooking is simply his reign, but because he wants me to go learn how to cook up a new speciality, well, it doesn't mean that I am wanting the same. I will honour just one meal in my defence. Oh yes, my delectable corned beef pie. He will finish the dinner without a hinder. Now to that brings a twinkle to his eye. I am not interested in doting a 2K blanchet, because everything I see turns to crap. Why do I want to be the next Nigel Lawson when I can just get a takeaway on tap? Microwavable meals is a talent for me. Oh, anything beyond that is such a strain. So if he thinks that I'm going to fucking cooking school, well, the man can think again. Thank you very much. You should have seen the mess of my first corned beef pie, which I attempted to cook for him. It was like a pile of mash. But anyway, moving on.